In this video, Professor Anton talks about Korzybski and this idea of language. You just have to watch the video if you wonder more about it. I was ready to disagree with this video on a certain part because, of course, I do believe that abstractions do never free themselves from their material component. But it is very interesting that this issue about 2 plus 2 equals 4 when you have no units in there. It is one of the rare cases where most people have this experience of understanding the mapping, where they normally don't understand the concept of mapping. They think the token that they use, which is translated into some other token and possibly even more, is the final result. They don't understand that there's this chain of maps and metaphors and analogies. But in mathematics and also in programming, we understand very well the difference. And you might have two things which want to have the same name, just naturally want to have the same name, and you either have to give them some incidentally different name, or you have to remember, okay, this is the string name, and this is the class name, and this is this other, and they're all the same name, but you can tell from the context which one it is. And it's all about this separation between some abstraction that represents or conceptually contains some idea and the idea itself. It's a funny thing because there's a lot of error in that. Most people understand that 2 plus 2 is a mapping, that it could be two apples, it could be, and we're just talking about the shape of a map. But they do that by misunderstanding and thinking, and like you said, they never think about the fact that that the 2 has to be material. And I, of course, think there's a problem with that. They should, or some of us, whoever's thinking most sophisticatedly about mathematics, should understand the sense in which 2 is a material thing, and you can find it in the real world. And one of the benefits of 2 is that it's easier to find in the real world than truth or freedom.